Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if our custom audiences and lookalike audiences are auto-updating or we should delete them and create new every time. So Facebook is very clear about this and they say that the audiences, they do auto-update and stuff, but I was thinking, are they right? So I started using audiences and I haven't changed them in some other accounts for a year or two. So this is a long-term plan that I have thought in order to test if they're working or not. And today we're going to go into my PC and see if these very old lookalikes and very old audiences are working even after 365 days, which means that that it's impossible for them to work if they don't keep auto-updating. Because, okay, Facebook says that, but can we prove it with data? Because this is what I care about. I don't care if Facebook says this or that. I just always want to test it. If you're bored of watching the next, the truth is that they do auto-update and they keep working even for a very long period of time. But let's go to my PC so that you can see also the data. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So I'm going to keep it simple, okay? So this is a retargeting campaign over here, guys, okay? It has been created on June 3rd of 2022. We have 17th of January 2024, more than 1.5 years, I guess. Okay, so at this point, we know that these custom audiences that we're using in this retargeting, if they are not going to be, sorry, I made a mistake. Actually, this campaign is October 16th, 2022, which means that it's 1 year old and something. So the custom audiences that we're using over here, they are middle of funnel. So these are audiences of 30 days. So it wouldn't be able to work for a straight period of producing so many sales, okay? Because this one on the max period has actually spent $500,000 over here, having 7.7 ROAS, which is something that we expect from a retargeting campaign. So this one wasn't going to be able to produce so many sales if we were not going to actually have the audience auto update all the time, because it's an audience based on the 30 days. And of course, it's a retargeting campaign that we have some decent budget to it, because in this ad account we're spending a lot of money in a daily level, more than 10k, 11k per day. So it's just, if you think of it, it's just the rule of 20%, 80%. That being said, this is happening on the custom audiences, but my question was also about lookalike audiences. So this is a campaign with lookalike audiences over here. Obviously I'm hiding the names because it's going to reveal who the client is, but you can see that this one was created on January 15th. Actually, the reason that I'm creating this video now is because now I'm sure also about lookalikes. Not that I wasn't sure earlier, because the lookalikes, all the audiences, most of the audiences are being based on 180 days. Don't forget that we can take up to 180 days website events like purchase, add to cart, and all of that. So the lookalikes are being created from these custom audiences. But my question wasn't so much on if the custom audiences are actually being refreshed, because in these custom audiences, I knew from other ad accounts also that they're working for a long period. You can have a retargeting campaign for years and it's auto-updating. Does the lookalike audiences also auto-update based on the custom audience? I cannot believe that these lookalikes are working for such a long period if they're not auto-updating also the custom audiences and then the lookalike audience to that. And this is one of the cases. I have other ad accounts also that they're proving that you can have these lookalikes for a very long period of time, even past the 180 days, and now past the 365 days, which is 1 year. And the only way that this is happening is only if they're auto-updating. So now I'm convinced with data. Meta was also saying that they're auto-updating, but now I'm also convinced, and I wanted to show you this with actual data so that it's going to be clear. Let me see if I have one more account that proves my point. Just give me 1 second, guys. Let me find one with other lookalikes. Okay, so I have found another example here. This ad account operates with 2 break-even ROAS. This is a campaign that has been created on July 18th. So if we count August, September, October, November, December, January, because we have 17th of January. So we have 6 months. 3 multiplied 6, it's 180 days. I'm using lookalikes that are based here on the 180 days events. So this campaign wasn't going to just produce this kind of results if it wasn't the case of things being refreshed. I'm pretty sure about the custom audiences. I don't know if this proves 100% that the lookalikes are also getting refreshed, but in my opinion, as I have showed you here, I have campaigns with lookalikes working for more than a year, so I think that they do auto refresh. I haven't found the need of actually needing to create them all over again, because even when I don't have a campaign for a year, I'm still having in ad accounts and in audiences lookalikes that I have created 2 or 3 years ago, and they are still working pretty well. Maybe you can tell me that yes, but they have the previous audiences maybe inside and they are still working well. I don't have a 100% answer about the lookalikes, but I'm 100% sure about the custom audiences because I have been using them even for 2 or 3 years in some cases. In that case, I can see that lookalikes are working for a very long period without you needing to refresh them or do something. So I believe that they auto refresh also, auto update, but I will keep monitoring it, I guess. And if I change my opinion, I will make another video that I'm going to correct and say, for example, that they don't auto update. But as of now, based on the data that I have, they seem to auto update. If you have any idea about it, let me know in the comments and we can start a discussion there about it. So that's all I had for you. A very small video with my 1 year test. It's actually funny because it's taking 1 year for me to think of it and actually testing it, and now it's a video which is very small, but it's fine, you know. All of this is going to stay on the YouTube channel as theory, so I'm happy for it. And don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, or my website. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.